Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not opening on the application of threads. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we search about threads app. In this page of app, on file we go for stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.